So I came to get a spare tire because mine fell off underneath my truck and I put a hole in the side of it. So I came to Ed's used tires, get a bargain on it, flip it on, get a new one. But they like these birds, so I figured you guys might get a kick out of this. Hey guys. Yeah.
Tires in the back of your pickup, you're ready.
Okay, thanks, man. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hi. Aren't you a pretty bird? You like it underneath there? Huh? Oh, hi. Are you a biter? Are you a biter? No? Huh? Okay. Good bird. Oh, you getting spoiled because I'm not getting him too, huh? Say hi. Hello. Oh, he's trying to eat my camera. How about that? I saw that. What are you doing, Ed? Hi. Hi. He's getting me. He's biting a hole in my shirt right now. You can let go of me now. Did you put a hole in my shirt? I know you did. Somebody's an attention whore. Don't pay attention to the other birds. It's got to be him. Well, you too. Hey. Well, hey. No, stop trying to eat my camera. Stop trying to eat my camera. Hey there. Kind of a different place to get your tires changed. Say hi. I couldn't take you in there with me, buddy.